Nice, I love the guys. So welcome back to the kitchen. Give Chef Ricardo, guys. Amazing. Anyway, this one is a very simple one, early in the morning for breakfast or whatever you like. So first thing, what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using a pack of oats. This one is banana and strawberry. It's just banana and strawberry. Put it straight inside of your blender. And we're going to put some spinach inside of the blender like this. So if you got roughly about a nice lovely handful of spinach, just put it straight inside of it. Nice one. So we're going to be getting half of a ripe banana, and this one you can make it for breakfast. All right, squeeze half a lime, and this lime is a real original Jamaican lime. Secondly, if you got some pear, you just simple put some pear inside of it. Get a nice lovely teaspoon of honey and put inside of it. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using some semi-skim milk. I'm going to use roughly about half of it, half cup. You don't have to use milk, you can use honey, but if you feel like something different early in the morning for breakfast, this comes in really handy for you. Alright, now let's blend. Alright, look at this, guys. See that? Yeah, that is amazing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, guys? So if you're at home and you feel like to make yourself a lovely early morning smoothie for breakfast, this coming really handy for you guys. And please will just subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Very easy and simple, early morning, less than 5 minutes, you know what I mean? You can take and make this one. So enjoy it. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as you can see for yourself, healthy smoothie, never go wrong. See you next time. Bye bye.